If you've forgotten the login password for your Uniview NVR, you can reset it by following a few simple steps. First, your recorder will need to be connected to the internet. Make sure you have it plugged into your router or modem using an Ethernet cable. Second, you must have previously set up your email address in the NVR when doing the first-time setup. If you did not input your email address in the NVR, skip to the second half of this video for an alternative password reset method. To reset the password, access the NVR from the local monitor or web interface and click the Forgot Password button. If you don't see this button, your NVR firmware is most likely an older version and you cannot use this method. Use the alternative method instead at the end of this video. If you do see the Forgot Password button, click on it and take note of which email address is listed there. A security code will be sent to that address in a later step. For the next step, you'll need your smartphone. First, download and open the EZView app on your phone. It can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play Store. After opening the EZView app, navigate to Me, General, and Forgot Device Password near the bottom. A box will pop up asking you to scan a QR code. Click OK to proceed. Now, you can use your phone's camera to scan the QR code from the Forgot Password menu of the NVR. I'll demonstrate. After scanning the QR code, you will need to click OK on your phone, at which point an email will be sent to your inbox with the security code. Check your email for the security code. It may be sent to your spam folder, so be sure to check there too. Once you have the security code, enter it in the blank area that says Security Code on the NVR web interface screen. After entering the security code, you can choose a new password for your NVR. Click OK to set the new password. You can confirm the new password is working by logging out of the NVR and logging back into the NVR using the new password. You should be able to use the new password to log in. Next, I'll explain the alternative password reset method. This works for Uniview NVRs with older firmware or newer devices which have not been set up with a recovery email address. This method involves sending the serial number as well as the current system date on the NVR to your local Uniview distributor, aka where you bought the device from. Then, the distributor will get a security code from Uniview and send it to you, so you can proceed with the password reset. First, you need to find the serial number of your NVR. You can find the serial number on a label on the bottom of the device, or by using EasyTools 2.0 to search for the device in your network. Make note of the serial number once you found it, since you'll need it for later. Second, you'll need to find the system date of your NVR. If the device was set up correctly, the system date should be today's date. However, sometimes this is not the case, and the system date is completely different. If you're not sure what the system time is on the NVR, you can use Uniview Device Manager to check. This is an open source software that automatically discovers Uniview devices in your network, such as security cameras and video recorders. It also allows you to see the current system time on your NVR, which is exactly what we need to see. Download Uniview Device Manager onto your computer and open it up. Then, navigate to the devices list and select your NVR from the menu. If you don't see your device listed, you can manually add it by clicking the Add button on the bottom left and typing in the IP address of the device. Next, click on Time Settings and take note of the current time on your NVR, specifically the date. For example, my device date is 23/07/05, and this is what I would send to my local Uniview distributor. If you are not sure who your local Uniview distributor is, you can send an email to Uniview support in your region. Here is the contact information for Uniview North America. They also have offices in Asia, Middle East, Europe, Africa, and Latin America. Send them an email requesting a password reset and make sure you include the serial number and system date. Uniview will usually reply back within 30 minutes during regular business hours. Hopefully you were able to reset the password on your Uniview NVR. If you found this video helpful, a like or a thumbs up would be appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.